All right, guys, we're at here at Andy's Buildings main office on 610 East Main Street here in Clarksville, Arkansas. So today, guys, for this week's building, we're gonna feature this awesome portable building. The size is a 10 by 16 foot long, all metal, very nice, very well built building. Let's take a look on the inside and kind of show you guys some features here. It has a double door, double shop door to get your lawnmowers in. Nice A-frame. Again, it's 10 foot wide, 16 foot long. On these buildings here, we cover the eaves, so no animals or birds can come in and build their nest. This one's priced at a very good price of $3,500 or $130 a month. It's pretty much ready to get delivered. We're ready to move it off our lot. Very beautiful building. As you can see, you can pretty much do anything. It's a blank canvas to put shelves or make it a good little working station. And we put this diamond plate trim on there, that way when you're putting in your lawnmower in and out, you know, that doesn't tear up your floor. Again, guys, we're gonna be showing some more buildings throughout the week, so make sure to stay tuned, like our Facebook, follow us on YouTube. Thank you guys for sticking through.